Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have come in with the Mega Link. I'm live here in my members area, and you'll see down the right hand side here now my commissions are $123 excuse me, and 40 cents. But more important in this video, I want to show you how with the Mega Link, this is a brand new system where you can promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. It's created and owned by Crowe, and this is Wayne here. And if you want a free video to meet Wayne, and he'll explain exactly what the Mega Link is. 10-minute video here. The link in the description will give access to a free video tour there. I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly what you're going to get with this system as well. So first of all, let me give you a breakdown of the commissions and just show you how this works. So I'm going to go into more transactions here. So I am blurring out the members' information for privacy, and you'll see, actually I might just minimize the screen here, you can see the journey right from the start if we go down to 90% there. So what you'll see here is a couple of columns. Let's just get this organized here. So this column here is the balance that I just showed you here, and that's $123.40. And there are 3 products within these offers here. The Mega Link, this one here at $7. So the system costs a one-time payment of $7, and you get 100% commissions on the Mega Link. And you'll see a couple of other offers in here. You'll see List Building and Magic Link. That's a $7 commission. And then you'll also see further down here Mega Messenger. So there's a Mega Messenger 1, 2, 3 Mega Messengers there, and that's at $10.80. That's a special offer, a one-time offer at $10.80. Started my journey on December the 6th, and today we are on December the 16th. So when you first join, let me go back into the dashboard. A couple of free trainings, which I think really straight away are worth the $7 one time that you pay. You get your Mega Link from here. But these 2 trainings here, these 2 free trainings, there are weekly trainings, ongoing trainings, but first of all, these 2 are absolutely superb and totally free. So Wayne Crowe, how I made 10 million in commissions. So it's perfect for beginners. He goes right back to basics with this training, and 100 commission hack. So you get those immediately when you first join. And let me show you now. So this is a complete 100% done for you system. Let me show you here what you get. Now, first of all, I don't want you to get overwhelmed if you are brand new by all these boxes on here, because this is very, very simple and very easy to use. So I'm going to show you here exactly how simple it is. So when you get your Mega Link, which is just an affiliate link, then this is a training. You see down here in the left hand side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 trainings here. But what you'll see here is, this is really important, the simplicity, but with the value that you're going to get. Wayne's drawn a line down here. You can see that line there in his training on the Mega Link. And all you've got to be concerned with as an affiliate is everything to the left-hand side of that line. All you've got to be concerned with are these 2 boxes here. So the first box is your Mega Link. So when I go back into my members area here, top right hand corner, you'll get your mega link there. Just copy it and copy it there and paste it. And then with that, you get a done for you lead capture page. And this is all I've used to promote. So you get one link and you get a done for you lead capture page. So when your prospects put their email into here, this is where the magic really happens, because Wayne has created everything over on this side of the right hand side of the line. He's created a complete 100% done for you funnel and system. Everything over on the right hand, everything to the right hand side of this line here is completely 100% done for you. So what happens is you then, your only job, the only thing you have to do is drive traffic to your mega link and to your squeeze page, your lead capture page. And then the whole complete system that Wayne has created takes over for you. So your prospects opt in, they go into an email list. You don't even need an autoresponder, so there's no monthly membership cost for autoresponders. There's no emails to write, no subject lines to write. This Wayne is an expert. He's made $11 million doing this. He's an expert. And what he does for you, he sends out emails consistently and automatically. It's all autopilot. He sends out emails, and within the emails is your mega link, your affiliate link, ML. And that is ongoing. And if someone buys, that is lifetime. He'll promote lifetime for you. And then what happens is he's created his own products. You'll see here, our own products. He's created his own products. And then what happens is he's going to promote his products to your prospects. There's low ticket, there's monthly recurring ones for monthly recurring commissions, there's higher ticket ones. And then if any of your prospects buy any of these products, you're going to earn commissions. So the bottom end of the funnel is where you earn the commissions. This is a complete, he calls it an ecosystem, and he's got 32 staff working for him. He does all the websites for you. He does all the trainings for you. He does live trainings. He's got a Facebook group of 142,000 members. So he's building a community of help, support and training as well. Absolutely everything is done for you. And to drive people and traffic, he trains you on how to do that with his pre-recorded trainings in the members area and his live trainings that he does every week. So an absolute 100% system. So quite a lot of boxes on here, quite a lot of lines, quite a lot of information, but this is how affiliate marketing works. It's very, very simple. You just promote an offer, he follows up and he promotes for you. And this is for a one-time payment of $7 with no monthly membership costs. So I think it's absolute superb value for what you get. And the Facebook group over here, you'll see here in the Facebook group, 142,000 members. He's really built a superb community. He's live in the Facebook group, but also thousands of active members helping each other. If everyone's here to help each other become successful with this system. So I'll also like to just make an income disclaimer in this video, because I'm not making any guarantees or any income claims. I'm just showing you what works for me, and we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and promote the offer as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And I recommend that you just watch this free video to here. The link in the description will take you to that. Come along and meet Wayne. Really just the system is created, and the community and the help and support is absolutely superb. So you can watch the video there, and then there's more information on this page as well about the system. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.